friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about EK Pro GPU waterblock for NVIDIA RTX A5000. So friend, EK is now offering an enterprise grade GPU waterblock for NVIDIA GeForce RTX A5000 graphics card. And friend, this new waterblock incorporates a CNC machine nickel plated copper base with a laser cut stainless steel top for a robust metal cooling solution, effectively making it single slot assembly. And friend, this is nickel plus Inox waterblock is purpose designed for RTX A5000 graphics card, and this waterblock cools the GPU, VRAM and VRAM as the cooling liquid is channeled directly over these critical areas. And friend, this liquid cooling solution uses an open split flow cooling engine design that proved to be a superior solution for GPU water blocks, and it is characterized by low hydraulic flow restriction, which means it can be used with weaker water pumps or pumps running on low settings and still achieve top performance. And the decreased coolant flow required make it an ideal solution for multi-GPU workstation, and the jet plate and pin structure geometry have been optimized to provide balanced flow distribution with minimal losses and optimal performance even when used in reverse waterfall sceneries. And friend, the base of the block is CNC machine out of nickel plated electrolytic copper, while the top is laser cut out of industry grade stainless steel, and the top plate feature a screw-in PCIe power connector bracket to securely hold the power connector burst fully assembled, and high quality EPDM O-rings ensure the sealing and the brass standoff can reinstall, allowing for a safe and easy installation procedure. And friend, this waterblock features a POM machine 45-degree angle terminal block with a 2 1/4-inch prods, allowing easy integration with EK Pro QDC kits and mainly folds for high compute density applications. Additionally, the waterblock is equipped with a side-mounted standoff for GPU press application, ensuring secure GPU mounting during transport and movement of the chassis. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at €259.90. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.